Tal do TBT, das bucetas de mel. Hoje você fode com a tropa da Chucabel. Você fode, você fode, você fode, você fode, você fode, você fode com a tropa da Chucabel. Você fode Chucabel, 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 com a tropa da Chucabel.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Rev636 and we back with another video. I was out with the boys this weekend. We went to ATX, to the Tuna Society, and when I tell you, things got crazy. Things got crazy, as you can see in the intro, as you can see the title, thumbnail, everything, man. So I really hope y'all enjoy this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, follow me on IG, and if you ride, you can pop out to these events, man, because it's about to be a crazy summer. We are constantly growing our channel, slowly but surely. You know what I'm saying? Slow money is better than no money. But yeah, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Back to the video. All the ZX10s are loaded. Girls are loaded, man. Austin, here we come. I hope y'all ready. Okay, they said we riding in an Audi. I can't hide money.
A few minutes later.
Made it into the showcase. I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I'm talking about. Crazy. It was a last minute thing for me. I wasn't gonna come. I didn't have plans on coming out here. What can I say? I'm glad I did. This shit is insane, bro.
Yeah, so we founded it. Yeah. It's Exedium, and the branding is basically like chaos. So feel the chaos, and as you can see the back.
Oh yeah.
So that's what we're going for, like a little crazy chaos, bikes, cars, you know, and you know, we have people wearing it over there.
Oh yeah.
And it's reflective material. So
really?
Yeah. So when you ride, people can see behind you, so it also keeps you safe.
Okay.
Like, it's really bright, so people see you, but yeah.
A little bit of that action.
Oh yeah, bro. Follow my man, Floor's Garage.
Yes, sir.
We lit.
Fuck it, kill my enemy, dropping the beat. Fuck it, This selection, I shouldn't be ashamed. Suck up my day, bitches are repeated, suck up my day. Pocket so late, shout out to thirst, cast of the garden. Look at it, how to shut on the 애들 안 써줘야 니 이름이 저리 샤레 왜서 레오가 니 파코에 팔로우도 지저니 탱하니 세계에서 변이 왕제 죄는 성원의 상향가 니 다우지 양한수 다른 잘 보지 이대만의 쇼크녀 따구지 어제 저 보이서 일라 어차피 니 세지
As you can see, guys, it is a lot going on around here, man. So much going on. If you're not here, I tell you this every time, if you're not here, if you're not where I'm at, you're fucking missing out.
Yeah, baby. How you feeling about the meet so far, brother? It's alright, bro. Smooth. Oh my god. This little shit in front of us? Yeah, that was nasty, man.
What's going on? Holy Booster. What's going on, brother? What's going on, guys? Yo, yo, yo. What's going on, guys? What's going on? Yo, yo.
Okay, my life like 2K, ball out every day. Bitch can play, I cannot complain. Practically I'm famous. I stay out the way, I be state to state, making plays. I be rocking stages, you know I'm paid. I've been paid ever since I made it. I know they hate, I like great shit, done it amazing. Just know I'm straight.
Let me hear it. One more time, come on, come on. Alright, the meet has been real. I appreciate everybody for watching. We're gonna head to another spot after this. I don't know if I'm gonna add it in this video or I'm gonna do another video separately from this. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, rev out.